The Roman Forum and Palatine Hill, which is up here. I guess this is the hill. Ticket holders.
Ticket holders.
Yep, so it is. So we're now in the Roman Forum. So let's have a look around there.
Amazing view from here. The best view from here. Got all parts of the city.
It's stunning. Amazing. What do you think to it in here, Pete?
Alright.
That was a good alright. Pete's alright's going 3 different levels.
That's part of the old Roma, I suppose.
City. Yeah. I say the Colosseum is only, you can just see the little top bit sticking out the corner of that building, but so that's where the Colosseum is, so all this would have been leading up to the Colosseum. Just structures a few feet apart. This looks amazing. So now we're at the opposite end to what we came in. And that's what you see. We came in right over there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's the end of the Roman Forum. We're going to head out, see what else we can see on our list, whatever's near here. But yeah, enjoy, Pete. Really good, eh? Really good. Highly recommend Roman Forum, sorry.